Tracy Blehm with Lazio Mind, Body Health, and the Ignite Your Life Systems. And in this Akashic video, we are going to be talking about using your Akashic Records as an amplifier. So what does that mean? That means if you've got something big that you're going out to do that's going to require a lot of energy. So for example, if I'm teaching a workshop, I will use my Akashic Records to amplify my energy so I'm not having the drop or the dip at the end of the day. If you're doing a presentation, if you are going to a family event and it usually bothers you, if you are going to a wedding, a funeral, you're going to write an exam, you can use your Akashic Records as an amplifier. And it is so simple. You go in through your usual techniques to get into the Akashic Records, and then you say, I would like you to amplify my energy so it is strong and consistent, calm and grounded throughout this event. And then once the event is over, your Akashic Records will close. It's always better if you do the ending prayer to close them yourself. But what it will do is it will keep you stable. It will keep your stamina high. I have been known to do 12, 14 hours of teaching, and at the end of the day, I'm so fired up and still have so much energy that I then have to kind of go walk it off because I've used my Akashic Records to keep those energy levels high. I don't typically use it for a normal work day because it's kind of a waste, but I do it in those situations where it is so important for what it is I'm trying to create that my energies are high. So you can learn all of this if you go and take some training with the Akashic Records on how to do all of that, what are the steps, how to make it unique to you, what else is required. There's lots of questions there. And you can then have high energy for whatever you're doing in your world to make the greatest impact. Would love to see you there. Check down below for upcoming workshop. Cheers.